Today we are going to learn about arithmetic operators in PHP. There are total 8 types of arithmetic operators in PHP. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, increment, decrement, exponentiation. Now we will start writing our program in PHP. First, you need to define the two numbers in a variable. As you can see, we got the output. We will see all the operators line by line. You can check the result. Increment operator is used to increase the number by 1. As you can see, the number is increment by 1. Decrement operator is opposite of increment operator. It is used to subtract the number by 1. Exponentiation operator is like 10 multiplying 10 by 5 times. Thank you for watching the video. Please do subscribe.